What's up guys, Marc, Augustine here, and in this video what we're going to talk about is strategies Marc is going to give you to guarantee Facebook Marketplace sales. So like, subscribe. This is not clickbait. This is something that you can actually implement to guarantee sales on Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. So like, subscribe. Let's get into the video.
What's up everyone, my name is Marco and I'm a full-time dropshipper. I'm currently doing Facebook, Amazon and eBay, and I've been doing Facebook for over a year, and I launched a course 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Right, so and if you haven't seen us talk about the course, you can check it. There's a link in the description and there's a video with Marco giving away 3 automation services to 3 of the members of the course, DS Masterclass, so go check that out. But yeah, so we were talking about a lot of people are seeing that drop in sales on Facebook shops, right? And we're talking about a couple of things. You're running ads and getting some sales, the profit's not as high, and then you're using some of the top selling items to sell on Marketplace. So can I explain that?
Yeah, all right. Okay, so as you might already know, people is actually calling it the downfall of Facebook Shop.
Yeah.
And it's a little dramatic. I think it's too dramatic, right?
Yeah, it is. That's a bit dramatic.
And I just want, set a solution that I have for it, which is running ads. But ads, it's people is actually scared or afraid of ads because you have to spend money and if it's going to work or not, right?
Right.
But I was talking to Marc about how I am managing this downfall. So in the short term, as I see it, is using my best selling shops items and put them on the marketplace. So I have, let's say, around 500 a list of 500 items that are like hot selling items, like items that are selling like 20, 30,000. I mean, 20, 30 times in a monthly basis.
Right.
So, I'm doing this in a couple of accounts, and guess what? It's actually working, right? Because it's proven that these items will sell because I already sold them in shops, right?
Yeah.
That's how basically you should go over and beat Facebook with this shops thing.
Yeah, because what has happened is a lot of people list items and then I guess the marketplace traffic disappeared.
Right.
That's funny.
Yeah.
And that's typical Facebook. Like, okay, so I watched some videos and people talk about the algorithm and all this nonsense. And like Facebook's business plan is to give you free traffic and then charge you for it. So this is
right.
This is what they do. This is how they make money.
Maybe I'm wrong, but
no, but I think running ads would work, and I think that marketplace obviously would work, right?
Okay, if you have run ads before, maybe you have an idea on how to do it.
Right.
Me personally, I used to own a store, an actual a physical store, and I was actually running ads to get people to come visit at the store. Also making some sales online, right? But now I already know pretty much how the ads thing work on Facebook. So right now I'm doing running ads on Facebook shops, and I'm getting a few sales. I might be able to share the screen with you guys about the ads performance. It's working, but it's a process. You still need to optimize the ads after the clicks, after engaging with people. So it's a whole process. You're not gonna get the sales immediately. I'm getting the sales, a few sales, but the trick is to actually know how to retarget.
Right.
But going back to the topic, if you have a list of items, I'm sure you're doing your spreadsheet. If you have a spreadsheet with a bunch of items that you have sold on Facebook shops, get those items and put them on the marketplace, okay? And I can assure you 100% guarantee that they will sell. Also, you can do you can boost listings on my marketplace, and you can do promotions. So why not? I mean, you should actually do it.
Right. And I would suggest that maybe I remember when I was doing the Facebook Marketplace, we were listing like 30 or 40 items a day. So that's another thing.
Right, but
would you upload all 200 or 500 in one day?
No.
Okay.
No, it's not gonna get it. They're not gonna get any traffic. They might. I mean, okay. First, there's a risk of Facebook suspending you because of uploading 500 items.
Yeah.
Pretty much what I do is list up to 50 items in one day.
Okay.
But even like that, it's better if you list 25 to 30 items a day.
Okay. Anyway, I wouldn't keep the video any longer. Like, subscribe, check out the link in the description to the Facebook group and the Yes Masterclass. Have a good one, guys. Peace.